A Malaysian folk tale states that you will find treasure under a blooming fevergrass plant. Fevergrass is a multifunctional culinary perennial herb that originates in India and the tropical regions of Asia. It can also live up to 4 years in the wild. Welcome to Jamaican Things, and today we'll bring you the benefits of fevergrass. Fevergrass, also known as lemongrass, can be added to many dishes for a unique citrus scent and tangy flavor. It is also used for the management of some health issues and in the cosmetic and perfume industries. Vitamins, minerals, electrolytes, and other chemicals that act as antioxidants are abundant in all parts of lemongrass. This herb is therefore highly beneficial for good health. Fevergrass leaves are high in crude fiber, a dietary fiber, making the herb high in carbohydrates. Fevergrass also contains folate, vitamin C, A, and B, magnesium, iron, and phosphorus. Lemongrass may help promote mental health. The mental strengthening effect of lemongrass can provide anxiety relief, a boost in self esteem, and an increase in confidence. It can also help fight periodontitis or inflammation of the gums. Lemongrass is also effective in the fight against gum disease and cavities. Overall, it is great for oral health. Lemongrass is rich in citral and geraniol compounds that repels insects. Fevergrass can repel mosquitoes, roaches, ants, beetles, and even wasps.